Sony recently dropped a bombshell that sent shockwaves through the photography world. After nearly a decade of rumors, the highly anticipated Sony RX1R Mark III is finally a reality. If you are a street photographer or someone who demands the highest image quality possible without breaking your back, listen carefully. Sony built a camera that fits in your coat pocket but packs the exact same mind-blowing 61-megapixel full-frame sensor as their flagship, RX1R Mark V. It is flagship full-frame power, hidden inside a camera the size of a teacup. But before you reach for your wallet, there is a massive catch. Sony is asking for a staggering $5,098 for this tiny masterpiece. At that price point, it steps straight into the ring with the legendary Leica Q3. Sony also made some controversial design choices that have divided the internet. There is no in-body image stabilization. The rear screen is completely fixed, and the integrated lens can never be swapped out. So, is the Sony RX1R Mark III a revolutionary engineering marvel that justifies its luxury price tag, or an overpriced toy that missed the mark? It's been a decade since the RX1R Mark II blew minds, and finally, Sony delivered an update. At the core of the RX1R Mark III is something spectacular. We are looking at a 60.2 megapixel back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor paired directly with Sony's latest Bions XR processing engine. This is the powerhouse combination found in their top-tier professional bodies. Here, it is crammed into a sleek magnesium alloy body, weighing just under 500 grams. You get medium format levels of resolution in a device you can comfortably carry around your neck all day. The image quality this sensor produces is breathtaking. With no optical low-pass filter, the sharpness and micro detail in your RAW files are surgical.
Ow.
You can crop incredibly far, and the image still holds up. This brings us to a brilliant software feature called step crop shooting. With 61 megapixels to play with, you can digitally toggle your focal length at the press of a button. Shoot at the native 35 millimeters. Push into a 50 millimeter equivalent yielding 29 megapixels, or punch all the way to 70 millimeters while retaining 15 megapixels of stunning resolution. It essentially gives you 3 distinct premium prime lenses inside one pocketable package. A massive sensor is only as good as the glass placed in front of it. Sony decided to stick to their guns and rely on absolute perfection, bringing back the world-renowned Zeiss Sonner T-Star 35mm f2 prime lens. Because the lens and sensor are permanently integrated, Sony's engineers calibrated them to micron precision. The result is edge-to-edge sharpness that traditional, interchangeable lenses rarely match. The f2 aperture produces buttery smooths, cinematic bokeh that makes subjects leap out of the frame. There is another secret weapon hiding inside this lens: the leaf shutter mechanism. Unlike focal plane shutters found in most mirrorless cameras, a leaf shutter is virtually silent. You can shoot street photography in a quiet cafe completely unnoticed. Furthermore, it synchronizes with external flashes at blazing fast speeds up to 1/4,000th of a second. For a high-end portrait, photographers who want to overpower the midday sun with a small pocket strobe, this is a massive advantage. A dedicated macro ring built right onto the lens barrel drops your minimum focusing distance down to 20 centimeters, letting you capture stunning close-up details. The autofocus on the RX1R Mark III is straight out of a science fiction movie. Sony integrated their dedicated AI processing unit featuring deep learning that understands human pose estimation. It recognizes a subject even if they are turned completely away or partially obscured by a crowd, tracking humans, animals, and vehicles with terrifying accuracy. The camera features 693 densely packed phase detection. Autofocus points covering roughly 78% of the frame. When shooting wide open on a busy street corner, the camera simply grabs the subject's eye and refuses to let go. Building the smallest full-frame camera on Earth requires sacrifices. First up, there is absolutely no in-body image stabilization. In a premium camera, you have to rely entirely on your own steady hands. For photography, the leaf shutter helps reduce physical camera shake, and you can push the ISO incredibly high without introducing nasty noise, so it is manageable. For video, however, it is a different story. The RX1R Mark III is highly capable of video, shooting gorgeous 10-bit for 2 to 4K at up to 30 frames per second. It includes Sony's Cinematic S Cinetone color profile. But because there is no mechanical stabilization, you have to use digital active stabilization, which applies a crop to your footage. Even more frustrating for hybrid shooters, the rear 3-inch LCD screen is fixed. It does not tilt or articulate. Sony clearly designed this machine as a purist's photography tool first, and a video camera second. Regarding aesthetics and build, Sony ditched the quirky pop-up electronic viewfinder from the previous generation and replaced it with a permanent, fixed position, old EV tucked into the corner. It packs 2.36 million dots of resolution with a 0.7 times magnification. The iron black matte coating and the magnesium alloy body feel incredibly dense and premium. The camera uses the NP-FW50 battery, rated for about 300 shots. Sony brought the camera up to modern standards by including a USB Type-C port, with power delivery, so you can rapid charge it with a power bank. Beyond the physical build, Sony finally overhauled the user experience. If you struggled with the famously confusing menus of the older Mark II, you will be thrilled to know this model inherits Sony's latest touch-friendly color-coded menu system. It makes navigating complex autofocus settings or assigning custom buttons an absolute breeze. Additionally, the magnesium alloy chassis features enhanced dust and moisture resistance. This upgraded weather sealing means you can confidently keep shooting when a light drizzle hits the city streets. It's completely uninterrupted. At $5,098 in the US, this camera is simply not for everyone. Sony is aiming straight for the luxury crown worn by the Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 costs over $6,000, giving you a wider 28mm lens, in body stabilization, a tilting screen, and 8,000 video. But it is noticeably larger and heavier. The Sony counters with a drastically superior artificial intelligence autofocus system, an arguably more versatile 35mm focal length, and a form factor that is genuinely pocketable. The Sony RX1R Mark III is built for the uncompromising creator. It is for the high-end professional or the affluent enthusiast who wants uncompromising image quality in a camera. They can take on a weekend getaway or walking the streets at midnight. It is a stealthy, silent, ultra-premium powerhouse that lets the pure joy of photography take center stage. Yes, the lack of stabilization hurts, fixed screen is annoying, and the price tag is steep. But when you load those 61-megapixel RAW files onto your computer monitor and see the astonishing detail, the rich colors, and that gorgeous Zeiss micro-contrast, you understand exactly where your money went. It is an emotional purchase. That makes you want to go out and shoot, which is the most valuable feature a camera can possibly have.